One of the best parts about this year's Untold festival, definitely these bao buns. I just could not get out of my head, so I'm trying to recreate them. And first up, we're gonna do a crispy prawn Asian slaw and lemon mayo one. Starting off with a simple flour mixture, to which I added some salt and garlic granule, mixed that up. Then cracked 2 eggs in a bowl, to which I added salt, pepper, mixed them up, added a little bit of water to loosen up the mixture and set them aside. Then to a third bowl, some panko, breadcrumbs, salt, powdered ginger, and some beef and steak seasoning. Then comes the main event, the prawns, to which I added salt, pepper, and some lemon juice. Mix those up, and then we're just gonna take them through the flour, then the egg, and then the panko mixture. We're gonna air fry these for about 15 to 18 minutes at 175. I just lightly oil sprayed the air fryer tray and then just popped it in. They get really, really crispy and delicious. Then we're off to the slaw, starting off with red and white cabbage, which I just use a mandolin to shred it quite thinly. The marinade is very simple. A tablespoon of tahini paste, to which I added some soy sauce, just measuring with the heart here, some sesame oils that I've just mixed it up, and some lemon juice. Topped it off with sesame seeds and then just mixed up the cabbage so it can start getting all of that flavor in. The sauce is super simple, light mayo, some lemon zest, lemon juice, and a little bit of parsley. Mix that up together, and then we're off to the second one. Starting off with pulled pork, which I made the day before, to which I just added some cooking juices and mixed it up. Then the sriracha mayo is sriracha sauce, mayo, and I just added a little bit of soy sauce just to give it that nice umami taste. Then just some roasted almonds, which I thinly sliced and set aside. And now come the assembly. These are my homemade bao buns, and I just took a couple of them, peeled off the baking paper, started filling them up with the slaw, and then gonna add the prawns, about 3 or 4 each. 4 is a bit much, so I actually recommend 3. Then I'm just going to scoop over the sauce. And then we've got the pulled pork ones. Just a generous scoop of pulled pork, sriracha sauce on top, and then just some crispy almonds. A sprinkling of spring onions on top, and I hope you like it.